Madam, today morning, myself, my colleague MP from Rajya Sabha, we went for walking from Tamil Nadu guest house. On the way, that is nearby Czech Republic Embassy and Poland Embassy gate on 3 and 4. Opposite side, one person came with a scooty. We are very cautiously walking very close to a platform, not mid of the road. He came opposite side. So we thought we'll give the space to him to go. Then when we move, he came near to me and pulled my chain and tore my clothes. He taken and is slowly moving. I want to rescue my dress. That's why I'm not bothered about my chain. Then he snatched, he left immediately. Then I shouted, hey, theft my chain, theft my chain. Everybody was there on the road, but nobody is ready to come and rescue me. That is a shock to me. 2 women are shouting, nobody is rescued. Then after some time, immediate incident, I am proceeding to return back to Tamil Nadu guest house. I saw the patrol with the 2 police. Both of us go and inform them. The police is not reacting much. He taking just simply our phone number and name. That's it. And he is asking me to come to the police station to give and lodge and complaint. Then I called my colleagues, Congress colleagues, Mr. Manik Thakur, who is the whip of parliament. He sent the police. I given the complaint to the police. Then our leader, national leader, Priyanka Gandhiji, taken me to speaker. We given the complaint there also. And I sent the mail complaint to our Honorable Home Minister. I am waiting for the response. There is no, today morning, still I have a depression and shock. There is no safety for women in this country. I am the women MP. I have some contacts, connectivity. Then I given the complaint and everybody came and supporting me. I am thinking about the common women. There is no safety. Where they, powerless women, where they will go? This is headquarters. Parliament is happening. Parliament is happening. I walked nearby embassy, the highly secured area. And one chief minister, women chief minister ruling the state. Where is the safety? There is a security for them. If he slit my neck, I will die on spot. I lose chain, I lose my life. This is not a matter of I only affected. This is a matter of everyone, all the women.